So, today we will talk about which case is famous for the definition of basic structure of the Indian Constitution. Kesavananda Bharati case, Romesh Thapar case, Shreya Singhal case, or Vishakha V case. So, the correct answer is A. Keshwananda Bharati case. Keshwananda Bharati case is a landmark case where the Supreme Court defined the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. The judgment for this case was delivered on April 24, 1973. The case is also known as the Fundamental Rights case. The Supreme Court asserted its right to strike down amendments to the Constitution that were in violation of the fundamental architecture of the Constitution. The next is how many members are present in the high level committee constituted for restructuring of ICAR? 5, 7, 10, or 11? So the correct answer is D, 11. The Government of India has set up a 11-member high-level committee to restructure the Indian Council of Agricultural Research ICAR. The committee will be under the chairmanship of the Additional Secretary of the Department of Agricultural Research and Education and Secretary of ICAR. The committee has been constituted to make recommendations for rationalizing and right-sizing the 94-year-old ICAR. The next is Ministry of Railways has established the Rail War Room in which place? New Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, or Lucknow? The correct answer is A, New Delhi. The Ministry of Railways has established the Rail War Room at the third floor of the Railways Ministry, New Delhi. The war room is equipped with latest communications facilities. The room will function round the clock to improve the services of the Indian Railways and facilitate fast redressal of public complaints. Next is Mahua has signed a MOU with which organization for technical assistance under the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0? ISRO, DRDO, RITES, or Indian Army? So the correct answer is C, RITES. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MOHUA signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with RITES Limited for technical assistance for solid waste management SWM and used water management UWM under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0. Under this MOU, RITES will help standardize process and design facilities for solid waste and used water management in towns with a population of below 1 lakh. Next is Akashvani will be the permanent name of which institution? All India Radio, TRAI, IAMAI, or GMAGC? The correct answer is A, All India Radio. The Indian government recently announced that the public broadcaster All India Radio will be exclusively referred to as the Akashvani. Previously, these two names were used interchangeably with a network of over 262 radio stations all over India is available to 92% of India's area and nearly all its population.